here to see you, Your Majesty.
Then send him in.
Enter!
Good day to you, Your Majesty.
Guard! Arrest this man!
On what charge?
Not wearing a woolly hat.
You're not wearing a woolly hat.
Of course I'm not wearing a woolly hat. They look ridiculous.
I have passed a law stating that everybody should wear woolly hats on Sundays. It is to support the English wool trade.
I happen to have a spare, my lady. Ta-da!
Oh, Cecil, what would we do without you?
I'll start again. Good day to you, Your Majesty.
Guard!
What now?
Arrest this man!
On what charge?
Wearing a cloak.
You're wearing a cloak.
Yes, I'm wearing a cloak. It's cold.
I have passed a law banning cloaks so that my courtiers can reach their swords quicker should anyone wish to attack me.
Is everybody happy now? Good day to you.
Guard!
Oh, Bodkins!
Arrest this man.
On what charge?
Wearing purple.
I thought it was rather fetching.
I have passed a law stating that purple cloth or any other cloth embroidered with gold or silver can only be worn by barons, viscounts, or higher nobility. And you, Sir William, are only a knight.
Happy now?
Cecil, there appears to be a naked man in my throne room.
There does indeed, Your Majesty.
Is there a law against it?
Not yet, Your Majesty. Not yet.